Wonder Speaker, and today the spirits of the island will give an answer. We will bless your people with strength and lead them against the aggressors. We will beat back the explorers, destroying their towns and cities. We will soar on the wind, crash along the shores, and instill fear into the hearts of our enemies. In time, and with your help, we will reclaim the island.
Handelabra Games and Greater Than Games are thrilled to join forces once again to bring Spirit Island to Steam. Spirit Island is a cooperative settler destruction strategy game designed by Eric Royce and set in an alternate history world around AD 1700. Players become different spirits of the land, each with their own unique elemental powers, forced to defend their island home from colonizing invaders spreading blight and destruction. Your spirits work with the native islanders to increase your power and drive the invading colonists from your island in the strategic area control game.
I'm Jeremy, co-founder of Handelabra Games. If you're not familiar with Handelabra, we are all about the digital tabletop. We love working with creators to bring their new, interesting, and innovative tabletop experiences to the digital world. And over the last 6 years, we've really honed in on one specific type of game that we really enjoy adapting, and that's deep, strategic, cooperative games.
Games like Aeon's End, an innovative deck-building game where you must protect the last human city in the far-flung future. Or One Deck Dungeon, a roguelike dungeon-crawling adventure played with a single deck of cards and a pile of colorful dice. Or our most popular game with over 250,000 copies owned, Sentinels of the Multiverse, the comic book-themed card game where you battle dangerous villains in dynamic environments. We don't like to toot our own horn too much, but people seem to like them.
At Handelabra, our goal is always to preserve the core of what makes a game fun to play, while also leveraging the digital medium to enhance the gameplay experience in ways that you simply can't on the tabletop. But even more than that, we love collaborating with creators.
When we created One Deck Dungeon, we were playing off the theme of a video game roguelike, so it was fun to bring the idea back into the digital realm. Handelabra did a fantastic job bringing it to life.
Hey, this is Paul Bender, CEO of Greater Than Games. I'm incredibly excited to be working with Handelabra on Spirit Island Digital. They've been an awesome partner on Sentinels of the Multiverse, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what they have in store with Spirit Island.
I'm incredibly jazzed that the Handelabra team is going to breathe digital life into the game by bringing it to Steam. We've already had some great conversations, and I'm really looking forward to working with them. I can't wait to see how this turns out.
We've already been working on Spirit Island for several months, but what you see here is far from complete. We need your help to finish the game. If we can reach our initial goal, that'll be enough to get the game to Steam, but it doesn't have to stop there.
We have a number of stretch goals to reach for as well, including additional playable spirits, cosmetic enhancements, the full Branch and Claw expansion, the often requested online multiplayer, as well as other platform releases. For a deeper explanation of Spirit Island gameplay, read on or check out the video further down the page. Thanks for visiting the campaign, and don't forget to tell your friends to check it out at spiritislanddigital.com.